warning for Grant County, Owen County, Eastern Gallatin County, until 4:15 p.m. At 3:36 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Owen, moving northeast at 25 miles an hour. Hazard, 60 miles an hour wind gusts and penny-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to trees and power lines. Locations impacted include Williamstown, Crittenden, Dry Ridge, Owen, Glencoe, Corinth, Monterey, Gratz, Stewartsville, Elk Lake, Beechwood, Ryle, New Liberty, Elmer Davis Lake, Sherman, Elliston, Monk, Cherry Grove, Long Ridge and Eagle Hill. This includes the following interstates: I-71 in Kentucky between mile marker 67 and 70. I-75 in Kentucky between mile markers 147 and 165.